Hi, I'm Lee from Vapor Clean, and today I'm going to tell you the one thing that every cleaner should carry with them. And it's as simple as this, a magic sponge. And it really is pure magic. This simple little sponge you can pick up in the shop for as little as 50p, but it will get rid of all your scuff marks, splash marks and bits and pieces on your walls, your woodwork and everything else with very little effort and without damage any paintwork. All you simply do is get the sponge a little bit wet at the end and just rub at the edge. And that's it. The marks are gone. One, after the other, after the other, after the other.